Hello honey bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay, my beautiful crafty friends, we're going to be making a really fun little mini note card for Valentine's Day. You guys know how much I love making note cards. It's no surprise, you know already, right? So I'm going to show you guys how to make these really fun little mini note cards to give out to your friends, your family, your co-workers, whoever you want. They're super duper easy to make, so freaking cute and adorable, and they will be really fun to just add to a cute little, I don't know, gift that you want to give away to someone. You could write like a little note. So let me show you how to create these in no time. Okay, so the paper pad that we're going to use is this one. I decided to use a heart paper shape. This one right here. I thought it would be great to use for this project. So I'm using this paper. And I'm going to create 2 mini cards with you guys. I already have my template. I already used these little mini cards that I already made from Michaels. And I use these as my template. Very simple, okay? It's super duper simple. Worst comes to worst, 3x3s. Just cut 3x3s and you'll be fine. But I use this as a template for myself because that's really how I work. I basically just layer them down, cut them out. From one paper of 6x6, you'll be able to get 2 mini note cards. And they'll be 3x3. You can make your own envelopes if you want. I tend to just use the envelopes that comes with the little mini note card. Sometimes you can even get the envelopes by itself. Michael sells envelopes by themselves also if you don't want to make your own envelope. But if you want to, you can make your own envelope. I do have an envelope gadget that makes them, that I can make them. But I tend to just use the envelopes that already comes with the little mini note cards. So you can decide. And there you have it. And that's what you're gonna get. You can save these for like extra little projects if you want. Up to you. Okay. So now we're going to put together our little mini note cards. Just fold it in half. A little bit close to me. The stickers that I'm using are these adorable stickers. I got these last year, and they're super cute. They have like these little love bugs right here, like a little butterfly. It's just really fun, little cute, adorable stickers. I like to, let me see, do I have any bumblebees? Because for this one I guess I don't have any more bumblebees. For this one, I used the little bumblebee, as you can see there. I don't know if you guys can see, but I used a little bumblebee. So I'm going to use, for these 2, we can use something different. Let's use this one right here. These 2, okay? And we're just going to lay them right in the little corner of our little mini note card. Let's use some dimensions first on the back. As you guys can see, I use a lot of this dimension. I love it. I'm obsessed using it. And by the way, I get them at the Dollar Tree. They're really, really affordable at the Dollar Tree, and they're really great. They're good quality. Every time I go to the dollar store, I always pick myself one of these rolls because I love using them, and they're so cheap at the Dollar Tree. So do make sure that you get your double-sided dimensions at the Dollar Tree. Do not spend money at Michael's or any other place buying them. Trust me, they're as good, if not even better. Ever since I discovered these dimensions, I don't use anything else. I refuse to use anything else. Okay, so we are going to add our cute little bug in front of our little mini card. So we're going to add a little bug on this corner right here. Oops, I forgot to take the back off. That will never stick, silly Jenny. You gotta take off the backing. I'm gonna add a little bit of hot glue, a little tiny, just to make sure. And I'm going to add my little bug right in this corner right here. Boom. And there she is. She is so cute. Let's add her in this little corner right here. And there she goes. See that? You can't hardly see her because she's very, very sparkly, but I mean, I think you have the idea. So what we're gonna do next is what we did here for these little bugs. We added a cute little bow right by the neck area, so we'll do that. I'm going to add a bow on this area and a bow on this area right by the neck area, so it can kind of give it a cute little look to the bug. So I'm going to add the heart, the bow right by the heart area, and then I'm going to trim it out. And we're going to do the same thing with this one. And we're going to trim it out. Beautiful. Then we're going to add more hearts, of course. How could we not add more hearts? So I have this heart that I have a very hard time using because I'm obsessed with it. It's the Martha Stewart gorgeous hearts, but I have to use them. I have to use it because I had these for so many years, never use it. I love it. It's my favorite, but I have to use them, right? So I'm going to use two of these little hearts. I'm going to use the one that says I love you, and then the one that says sweetheart. And then I only have 3 hearts left. Oh my gosh. So I'm going to add these 2 hearts in a little corner of my little note card. I'm going to add one on this side right here. And I'm going to add the other one that says I love you. On this side right here. And then we're going to finish it off by adding a tiny heart. Now I was going to use a purple heart, which is this one right here, but I think I'm going to use the Martha Stewart heart, which is this one right here, because I only have 3 left, so I might as well just use one. So I'm going to add one in this area right here. Actually no. Let's add the little mini heart on this area down here. And I'm going to tell you why. And I'm going to add another one on this area down here. And the reason why I did that is because I want to add this little sign that says cute right on this area right there. And this sign I got from Hobby Lobby. They come in like a bundle of like a whole bunch of stickers that are Valentine's related. And so that's where I got these adorable stickers from. So we're going to do that. Let's add some dimensions on the back of this one. As you already know, dimension crazy. I know, I use a lot of dimensions. I know. Don't judge me. Don't be judging me because I use a lot of dimensions. Don't be judging me. Okay. We're going to add this right in this area right there. That is so adorable. And we're going to add this in this area right there. And we are finished with the front of our cute, adorable little mini note card. Let's do the inside. Inside. Very simple. How simple, Jenny? Super duper simple. I added 2 little hearts. Boom, 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 boom. That's it. That's it, babies. That's it. That's it, babies. That's it. So get your Dollar Tree hearts. I love these hearts. And I'm going to get 2 little tiny hearts that comes with the sticker pack of the little buggies. Here's one. Here's the other. And I'm going to add the tiny heart on this side right here. The tiny heart on this side right here. And the Dollar Tree heart on this side right here. And that's still going to give you some decent amount of space to write your little love note or your happy Valentine's Day or whatever it is that you want to write down in this little corner right here or even on this side right here if you want. See? And that, my friend, is how you create this adorable, super duper, easy, quick, but cute little mini note card. How freaking cute is that? What I also did, FYI, what I did with the envelopes, I also just added 2 hearts in front of it. So we can do that. We can do that. That takes only a second or 2, right? Here is, make sure that the top part. Okay, so I just added 2 hearts from the Dollar Tree. Again, obsessed with these hearts. Pink, red, pink, red. I took my hot glue. I took a little bit of hot glue. Boom, boom, boom. I added a pink heart right there. And then I took my hot glue. Boom, boom, boom. I added another pink heart. Well, this is the red heart right there. And we can do the same thing with this one. Boom, boom, boom. Red. Boom, boom, boom. Pink. And that's it, babies. That's right. That's it. We done. We're done. Look at this. How cute are these? Oh, I love how these turned out. These are so cute. Oh my gosh, the glittery on this is just amazing. So cute. I love it. It's so adorable. But look how it turned out. How cute are these? Right? Look how cute these are. So much fun. I love them. These really turned out really sweet. So appropriate for a Valentine's Day little gift, right? So sweet, so beautiful. And this one is a little bit different, but the idea is almost the same, right? The only difference is that the heart, well, not the heart, I'm sorry. The sticker is a little bug, like a little bumblebee. But it's just adorable, guys. Look how cute these turned out. And remember, you can use the stickers that you have at home. Whatever stickers you have at home, you can kind of use and turn this little mini note card into a really fun, adorable project. So, I hope you enjoy watching me make these. Let me know what you think. If you create them, please tag me on Instagram so I can see your beautiful work. And I will see you on my next video. I love you guys all. Thank you so much for your wonderful comments and your wonderful, wonderful likes, guys. Greatly appreciated. Thank you so much. Okay, have a fantastic weekend and I will see you soon. Bye. Love you.